In this video, I'll show you how to download and install SKLauncher on your MacBook. SKLauncher is a Minecraft launcher that lets you manage different Minecraft versions, mods, resource packs, and more. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official SKLauncher website, skmedix.pl. Make sure you are using the official website so you don't download anything unsafe. Once the website opens, click the download button. Then choose the macOS version and click download.dmg. If the download button is not working or keeps loading, try turning off your ad blocker, using another browser, or waiting a few minutes before trying again. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and find the file. It should be called something like SKLauncher.dmg. Double-click the file to open it. A new window will appear showing the SKLauncher icon and the Applications folder. Simply drag the SKLauncher icon into the Applications folder. Once that is done, close the window and move the installer to the trash. Before running SKLauncher, you need to make sure Java is installed on your Mac. If you don't have Java installed, check the video linked in the description to learn how to install Java on Mac. Now go back to your Applications folder and open SKLauncher. Because this app was downloaded from the internet, macOS may block it the first time. If you see a warning saying Apple cannot verify the app, click Done. To allow the app, click the Apple logo in the top left corner and open System Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then scroll down. You should see a message saying SKLauncher was blocked. Click Open Anyway. A new confirmation window will appear. Click Open Anyway again, then enter your Mac password if requested. SKLauncher should now open. The launcher may take a few moments to update its files, so wait until the update is finished. Once SKLauncher opens, click Login with Microsoft. Your browser will open and take you to the Microsoft login page. Enter the email and password for the Microsoft account you use for Minecraft. After signing in, you can close the browser and return to SKLauncher. If you see a message saying your account does not own Minecraft Java Edition, it means Minecraft Java Edition is not linked to that Microsoft account. In that case, make sure you are using the correct account, or purchase Minecraft Java Edition from the official Minecraft website. You can also click Switch to Offline Mode, enter a username, and click Login Offline. Once you are logged in successfully, open the Installations Manager. From here, you can manage Minecraft versions, mods, resource packs, shader packs, and other settings. When everything is ready, click Play to launch Minecraft. And that's it. You have successfully installed SKLauncher on your Mac. Now you can use it to play Minecraft, manage different versions, and customize your game. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.